Okay, this video is going to be about adding pictures into your posts in WordPress. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to capture some pictures. After you've written a long post and you want to add some pictures, here's an easy way. You can go to Google Images, and this example post is going to be about a bike messenger. So in the search box I have written bike messenger, and it's pulled up several of these photographs. So I'm going to take one here and right click, and I'm going to select save image as, and it's going to throw up my hard drive. Now I want to save these pictures always into the same folder so that I can easily access them, and so that it filters up to the top. I've named mine AAA-My Online Pictures. So I'm going to open that folder, and down here where it says file name, I'm going to change this to Bike Messenger, and it's going to save it as a JPEG. And then I'm going to click Save, the button of which is right here. Okay, and that just downloaded that one picture. Now we're going to go over here, and I've logged into the back of my WordPress. I'm in the dashboard area. Okay, and I'm going to go to this sample page, click on Edit. Okay, and here this is the actual sample page that comes installed with WordPress. Okay, and here it says, hi there, I'm a bike messenger by day, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to put my cursor right here because this is where I want the picture to be. I'm going to go straight up and click on Add Media. Okay, and if I had things in my media library, they would open right here, but we don't have anything yet. So it gives me the option of Select Files. Okay, if you have pictures here, you would go to Upload Files. And you're going to click Select Files, and that's going to pull up that folder. Now if it doesn't pull up that folder, you just go right over here and you click this little triangle, and you keep clicking until you find your actual folder and you open it. So once you find your picture, you click on it, and then you click on Open, and that's going to pull it into your media library. Now over here on the side, you can see it has all of the information about the photograph. So underneath the title, all this information is very good for the search engine, so it's really important to fill in these blanks. So I'm going to use these same tags that I have here. I mean, you can add a little bit to it like I did just there. Now if I wanted a caption to appear underneath the picture, I could fill this in here, but I'm not going to. Okay, now down here I do want it to align to the left hand side, so I'm going to check left and then link to the media file, and you have a choice here. Do you want it to be full size or thumbnail size? I'm going to choose the full size so that I can show you how to alter it in the post. And then you click Insert into Page, and then it throws it right here. Now it's a little bit big because it's really emphasizing the text in this upper paragraph. So if you click on it, okay, you can lean on this lower square on the lower right hand side of the picture and drag it in, and it will resize the picture, keeping it in scale. Okay, and so that's a better size. Now if I wanted to move it to the right side, I could click on this pencil here. Okay, and then I could choose right and update, and it'll throw it onto the right hand side over here, but I want it back on the other side. So I'm going to come back in, click left and update, and it's back on that side. Okay, now if I pulled in the wrong picture, you can just click on the X and it will delete it. Okay, now I'm going to click off the picture, and this looks like it's really close to the picture, but don't worry about that because WordPress and your CSS will add some padding and some margins around your picture, so don't worry about that. Then come over here to where it says update, and you can click on update. Okay, and then I'm going to view the page. Okay, and there it is. There's the picture, and there's the padding around the picture, so it's set off very nicely. Okay, now sometimes you're going to want to use a link. So let's go back to the Google search. Okay, so let's see what the next paragraph is about. The Doohickey Company. Let's see. Actually, maybe we'll pull up something that says WordPress. We'll put another picture down here. So let's see, WordPress logo. Okay, so here's some very colorful WordPress logos. So what we'll do is we'll take this one, it has a little bit of color into it. So in order to get the URL, you're going to lean on the icon, right click, okay, and then you're going to come down and choose, instead of choosing save image as, you're going to choose copy image URL. Click that, and now it has copied that onto your clipboard, which is sort of behind the scenes. You can't see it. Then you're going to go back to your blog post, put your cursor where you want the picture to appear, okay, add media, okay, and as you can see, the picture that we just added to our media library is now here. But instead of uploading it, we're going to click on this, insert from URL. You click this, and then this highlights it. Oh dear. So I'm going to, on my keyboard, hit Control V to paste. And there you can see it pulled in the WordPress icon. Okay, and down under alternate text, I'm going to put WordPress icon. And I'm also going to put this on the left-hand side, and I'm going to put insert into page. And for some reason, it's not pulling it in. Let's try it again. You know what? It looks like it has some coding so that you can't steal it. So let's go back and get a different one. That's good to know. Let's go back and get a different one. How about this one here? Click, copy image URL. Go back here. I'm going to Control V to paste it. There it is. And we're going to do the same thing. WordPress icon. And we're going to align it to the left and insert it into the page. And there it is. Okay. And the same thing, you come over here and you update. And you view the page. Okay, and there's the new picture that we just added. Now, I want to just let you know that the only problem with using, I think I was on a page here, all pages. The only problem with using a URL is that if this URL is deleted from the internet, wherever we got this from, if they delete the website or they just delete the picture, then this will no longer be linking to anything that's live on the internet, and you'll just get an error reading here or something that you can't tell what it is. So it's probably a better idea to save the picture and then upload it. So I just wanted to mention that. Now let's go into the library. Go Media, Library. Now say you wind up uploading a picture that you don't like or that you don't need anymore. You just lean into it. It's a good idea to check it and then click Delete Permanently. It'll ask you to make sure you're deleting something that you want, and you're just going to click OK. and that will remove it from your media library. So that's how easy it is to add pictures to your blog posts. Thanks for watching.